Here's a meal the whole family will love. It's my cheesy chicken and rice hot dish. Here's how it's made. All you need is 2 frozen chicken breasts. We're gonna bake them at 375 for about 40 to 45 minutes. I like to cover them with the Italian dressing from Olive Garden. We're gonna use Campbell's cream of chicken soup. First, we're going to heat up our pan and add a little bit of this avocado oil. We're gonna set our burner at a medium-high temp. Mine goes from 1 to 9 and mine's set at 5. Now we're going to add in our diced carrots. Sometimes it's just easier to scoop the rice in. I'm going to fill this 9 by 13 inch pan up with rice. There was some little rice left over in the pot, but that's fine. Now we're going to be adding in our cream of chicken soup. Then we are going to add some milk. I use whole milk. You're going to want to fill this can up about 3/4 of the way. And you're going to stir all the little bits of soup that are left in the can into the milk. Get it all out and dump it all in. And we're going to stir this together. And here's where I added some corn that I had cut off of a cob and just microwaved it real quick. And then we add the French's crispy fried onions. Not just for green bean casserole. So you want to stir some, I do like a handful or two, and stir that into the hot dish. Then we are going to bake this in the 375 degree for 25 minutes. We're going to shred our cheddar. I also did shred a little bit of mozzarella. After 25 minutes, we're going to pull it out and we're going to stir in the cheddar and mozzarella. We're going to stir in our cheeses. And we're going to top with the French's crispy fried onions. Then we're gonna put the remainder of our cheese on. Then we're going to sprinkle just a little bit more of the crispy fried onions because I like it nice and crunchy on top. Bake for another 5 minutes at 375 and then 1 minute under the broiler. And it comes out ooey gooey, cheesy, crispy, crunchy, so good. My son walked in the door and he said, "Oh yeah."